Hello friends, I will tell you a story when online motorcycle taxi drivers are waiting for orders. They are named Arif, Giddo, Ayman, Bedel, Alan and Bang Elik. At the beginning, he told me with a feeling of irritation that since yesterday the online motorcycle taxi driver application was experiencing problems until today. Arif also answered, why did our application experience problems? Dizziness would cause our activities to be hampered, slowing down incoming orders. Bedel answered, I don't know. I also don't know why our application can experience problems like this. Wise talking to Bedel. Yesterday I thought maybe our application error would not take long, and it would return to normal until the afternoon, but it turns out that our application is experiencing problems until today. In the midst of being wise and having fun talking, I noticed that the driver named Giddo didn't seem very enthusiastic about driving. And I also asked Arif via WhatsApp, Arif, why has your friend Giddo been silent all this time? Arif replied to my WhatsApp, Giddo had been silent since he was annoyed with the application that was in error, so he has not received one order for the driver account for 2 days. And I ask again, why is it like that since yesterday not a single order has entered the driver's account? Maybe yesterday Giddo was tired of waiting for long orders that didn't come in because of an application error. Finally Giddo went home. And I replied again to Wisdom, who it's important that you online motorcycle taxi drivers keep your spirits up and don't give up.